All right, everybody. So today I kind of wanted to show something that I thought was really cool. I was first shown this, but it's kind of separating walls and or changing features or splitting them. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna come over here. We got kind of a wall set up here, ground, and of course it's a concrete wall. So you're gonna see most of it, right? So I'll do this shading. So it just kind of gives us a bit of a color, anything like that. So let's just build like a house or something out of this. There we go. There. Back here. Let's show these giant walls. All right, and let's take that. All right. That goes as far from red. There we go. Of course, that's not really showing anything. Of course, that's how you just change different viewing. That's fine on there. Different colors. So I've got this one wall here, and I can do in this view right here. Put this out wall. Colors. All right. So now I want to add like some random windows or something to it. So what we can do. You can either edit the profile, which you can literally draw a nice right there. You can draw a square in there or however object that you want. Do it just like that, and of course it's gonna make that hole in that wall. Right? Now, say you don't want to make a hole in the wall, right? You can go to this right here. It's gonna be the selection box. Actually, correction, not that. There we go, split face. So say I don't want to end up doing this thing right here. So once I click on that, it'll end up giving me this right here. Of course, you see my controllers there, and the split face is up here at the top. So that's where split face is, or you can press FF if you still have that as your control. So this right here, I can do the same thing. I can just draw the lines if I want to, make whatever kind of object I want out of it. So those, make different objects out of it. I can change the way things look altogether. I'm going to just do that right there. And what it's going to do is it's going to take the space of a wall and it's going to split it. It's going to make just this right here its own area. We'll click that, and so you'll see that it still highlights it, but you can come over here and be like, all right, well, I want it to look like a window there, some fanciness to it. What you can do is go to this, go to paint, open glass. You can go in and choose and make different items if you go into manage, and you can do that. right here, then you just click, and then now it's made it that glass. Of course, it's going to do it to anything else, but that's how you change the object and split the face and everything, and then you can change it into a different object. Say you wanted to make that into like rock instead of just that brick there, so you can type in rock stone. Let's see if it pull up there. I don't have anything in the for it. Let's see. But of course, I'm sure you get the just over here. And then you've got these different options. You can put wood in there, flooring. Stained wood, of course. And you can't just go out of it. So you've got to go down, click on the one you want, leave it there, and then come out, and then click. Press down when you're done, and then it gets you out of that whole painting. If you do it beforehand, it's not going to let you do it. Now you can do it in this also. So we'll go back to the glass, do air, and it just makes it open. It's kind of like it was like that. It would be the same. In this case, if you do glass, you'll actually make it like glass. See what I did there? But on the inside you can't see, but on the outside you can see straight through it. It's kind of cool, interesting. It's an easy way to do it. Just kind of add a feature like that to it. You can't really see all the edges. See how you can like see straight through the wall there. It just takes that face and throws away. So that's your difference in splitting and cutting a face. You can do two different ways. So that is my tutorial for this week. I hope everybody enjoys. Thank you. And catch you later.